Okay, for 101, they want us to find the remaining values of the table and then write an equation, right? So for A, we can see that we're multiplying by 4, right? Times 4. So we have to keep doing that. So 32 times 4 comes out to be 128, right? This is not going to fit in there. Let me zoom a little here for A. We don't need the graph, right? Let me make it as big as I can. Okay, so this is times 4, right? We just established this. So 32 times 4 is 128. I don't even know if I'll fit this, right? Let's move that down. 128. And then 128 times 4 is 512. 512. And then 512 times 4, you can just use a calculator for this, right? This is 2048. It won't fit in the block. And then 2048 times 4 is 8192. 8192. So you have to remember the form of these, right? It's y equals the 0th term, right? The 0th term. So it's 2 times the multiplier, right? Times the multiplier, 4. To the x, right? That's geometric or exponential. Okay, the next one for B, clearly we're not adding, because if it was plus 1, then it's not plus 1. So we're multiplying. So 5 times what is 6? If you don't know that, you can divide 6 by 5 and see, but it's times 1.2. And then 6 times 1.2. So again, this is calculator work, right? So it's 7.2 times 1.2 is 8.64, 8.64. And then just keep, I'm not going to do it. You have a calculator. Times 1.2 times 1.2, right? So the equation is y equals, and again, this is the same as the last one, right? The 0th term, so 5, times the multiplier, and again, the multiplier is right here, 1.2, right? Times 1.2 to the x power, right? And there's your equations.